Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be talking about my Fright Nights predictions, so what I think will be coming to this year's Fright Nights. If you'd like to see more videos like this, I suggest hitting the subscribe button. So I'll start off with everyone's favourite, the mazes. So first up, Thorpe Park have already confirmed that Stitches, survival games and trailers will all be returning for this year, which is great news because I think all three of them are very different from each other and are very good mazes in their own ways. But Thorpe Park have also confirmed that a new maze will be coming this year, and lots of people I know have been speculating about this. So I'll start off with saying where I think the new maze will be, and I think that the new maze will be in the old Black Mirror Labyrinth building. As we've seen this year, there has been sightings of the building being gutted, which means that they've taken all of the Black Mirror Labyrinth theming out of it. So this is a perfect space for a new maze. It has lots of space and it has a perfect queue line. Another place that's possible for the new maze is Amity Beach. It's only used in the summertime and it's perfect to set up another maze. Next off, I'll be talking about what the theme of the maze could be. And I've heard lots of people say that they think it's going to be themed to Hyperia. I think this is an interesting concept, but I don't think that's what it's going to be this year. There's lots of things that they could theme it to. It could be zombie themed. They've done Walking Dead mazes in the past. It could be themed to witches. They have witches in the Creature Campus show. There could be something like that. There could be mummies. It could be Egyptian themed. There was a Easter egg in trailers a couple years ago with an Egyptian theme on it, so it could be themed to that. No one knows. But my prediction this year, it has to be along with the Fright Nights teaser. At the end of the teaser, there was a weird looking person. It was a shadow. I think it's going to be something based off that, well obviously, but I'm not sure what that figure was. So if you have any guesses, please comment them because I really want to figure out what that figure is. Starting off with scare zones, I think that Lucifer's Lair will be returning. In the Fright Nights teaser, there were multiple Easter eggs that hinted that it will return. Lucifer's Lair only joined the lineup last year, so it will be very bad to get rid of it after 1 year. Another thing that I think will be returning to Fright Nights is the Crows of Mocking Meadow Scare Zone. In the teaser, there were so many Easter eggs hinting that it would be back. It's crazy to get rid of it. It was a fan favourite. It would be silly to get rid of it. Now for shows. First off, I think the Lucifer's Lair shows will also be returning along with the Lucifer's Lair Scare Zone. The shows were incredible, and I have to say, I've been going to Fright Nights since 2019, and Lucifer's Lair has been my all-time favourite scare zone. The vibes in that area, the atmosphere, the costumes, the theming, it's just incredible and I love it. So I'll be very upset if it does not return. For roaming team, I think the Crows of Mocking Meadow will be the roamers once again. Since I think that they're coming back as a scare zone, they have to come back as roaming actors. They are insanely funny. So it would be a real shame if they left the park. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to make a part 2 when the full lineup is released, seeing what I guessed right and what I guessed wrong in this predictions video. So if you want to see more Fright Nights videos, I suggest subscribing and liking this video since I have a few more coming up hopefully. So I'll see you in another video.